groove in the one side and it's completely flat on the other. You want the flat side out. And then we have our outer lock here. And it's always good, you got to use as much grease as you can. Keep everything lubed up here. So on our outer lock, there's a spring on the back side here. Make sure you get that in. Get some grease all over everything here. Get that slid locked in. So we have our interlock with a brass bushing. Brass bushing has a chamfer on one side. That goes towards the gear. Get that lined up, slide it in, spin it till it locks. You got this fancy little spring lock clip here. You got to kind of hold the gear in and